Miss Universe Jamaica. Irereklamo ang Miss Universe Organization. Ayon sa kanya, event organizer nagpabeya kaya siya nahulog sa stage. Mr. Nawat Itzeregrisel. Ano kaya ang tugon? At matapos ang ilang linggong pakikipaglaban para sa kanyang buhay sa hospital, Miss Universe Jamaica na si Dr. Gabrielle Henry, nagsalita na hinggil sa nangyari sa kanya at kung ano ang dahilan bakit di niya nakita ang butas sa ibabaw ng stage at bakit siya nahulog. Ayon sa kanyang mensahe,
I decided to sue the organizers after falling off the stage because this was not just an accident. This fall was not unavoidable. It was the result of serious negligence by the organizers. That night, I was wearing an orange evening gown and high heels as I walked toward the edge of the stage. The lights suddenly dimmed and I couldn't see my footing at all. In the next second, I fell face first off the stage. The audience screamed, medical staff rushed over, and I was strapped onto a stretcher and taken to Paul Lafon Hospital. The event owner later posted that I had no fractures and no life-threatening injuries, but he didn't mention my neck pain, facial swelling, or the fact that as an ophthalmologist, I had to cancel and reschedule surgical appointments, a real professional and financial loss. What's even more absurd is that no one backstage warned us about the lighting change, and there was no safety staff guiding contestants near the edge. This incident didn't just injure me physically, it delayed my foundation's fundraising work for the visually impaired. Our planned events had to be postponed. I will hold the organizers accountable because contestants are not here to gamble with luck. The organizers must pay for their negligence.
nakauwi na ng bansa niya ang beauty queen, escorted by medical personnel. She arrived at Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston by mid-December. Pagbaba sa eroplano ay isinakay siya sa wheelchair, sinalubong siya ng kanyang ina, at mula doon, inilipat siya sa stretcher para naman dalhin sa Kingston Hospital, for her recovery and healing. Taliwas sa ipinahayag noon ng Miss Universe Organization na hindi umano life-threatening ang situation niya, sinabi ng beauty queen doctor na nagkaroon siya ng intracranial hemorrhage and fractures and facial cuts, which left her not only pain but the worst memory she ever had in her pageant journey. Wala pang tugon ng Miss Universe Organization, at ang MGI team na siyang naging events organizer nito. Anong masasabi mo rito? Please comment down. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.